Well, to try and get this bulb piece out right down there, I've removed the main beam bulb, and so I've got a hole there, and I'm going to stick a hose in there attached to my vacuum cleaner and see if I can suck it out. That hole there at the back, the main beam hole, is a bit bigger than the size of that little piece. So one could take the headlamp out and then turn it, you know, facing upwards, and then hopefully that thing will fall down to the bottom. But if I can suck it out using the vacuum, then I don't have to take this piece out. So let's see how that's going to work. I've got two diameters of hose. I've got this reinforced hose here that is just slightly smaller than the hole, so I won't be able to maneuver it around in the hole when I push the thing through into the headlamp housing as easily as this one. But this one here, the diameter of the inner diameter is kind of small, so I mean it would have to suck the headlight piece here and just stick it on there, and then I can pull it out. I don't know if that's going to work. This one here, the inner diameter might be big enough. I don't know. I can't do this all in with one hand, I don't think. As you can see, this is the piece, the back piece. No, that's not going to go in there. So either one is the same thing. So what I'll probably do is start with this one there, since I can't suck the piece in. The wall of this hose is too thick, and so I might as well use this one. At least this one I'll be able to maneuver a bit more when I get it into the headlamp housing. Using my black gaffer tape, I just attached the smaller hose to the hose for my shop vac, and let's give it a try. First, I'm going to need to move that head piece there towards the front of this headlamp housing, because right now it's back underneath there, and the hose isn't going to bend around to get a suction on that. So I'm going to have to fashion some piece of wire or something like that to bring it forward. Well, I got a piece, I got a coat hanger that I straighten out that I keep in my garage with a little 90-degree bend in it, and that is that's kind of a useful tool that I've got here in the garage. And that has brought it to the front. Let me get this tool out of the way. So this wire tool has served its purpose. Let's get the shop vac going. This hose is pretty stiff. Push it in from a different angle. Now that's been a snag. Oh, that's gonna fall off. Man. It's right there. Woo! Success! It's still hanging on. There you go. Now with the bulb piece out there, out of the headlamp housing, I just put the headlamp back in, the H7 Oxito bulb, and just gonna, before I put the dust cap back on the back, I'm just gonna turn this on and see if it works. There you go. And I just got to pull the trigger. and that's connected. And there's that noise again that I mentioned before. So I gotta live with that, I guess. But anyway, at least it's working. Now that connector, this one here is falling apart again, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. I've got another video with it where I replaced that piece. That piece, because of all the heat that's generated behind there, that piece tends to perish after a while. So be warned that that connector there will have to be replaced at some point. But anyway, this extraction was a success. Everything is back to normal, and I'm back to using my halogen bulb, my yellow halogen bulb, because so far I have not managed to crack this problem of getting an LED bulb for my park lamps. So the search continues.